Hello and thank you for tuning in. If today is your first time watching me, this is Sister J from Sister J Jamaican Caribbean Cuisine. If today is not your first time watching me, I thank you so much for coming back. Today I'll be doing some juice. Yes, I'm gonna do a 4-blend juice. Yes, pineapple, cucumber, beet, and ginger. So come along while we blend up some juice in Sister J's kitchen. Yeah. So here are the fruits that I'm going to be using along with the honey. That's pineapple, cucumber, beetroot, and ginger. So I have one pineapple, but I'm not going to use all the pineapple. I'm going to use like about half of a pineapple. I'm using enough to use as one blend. So I'm going to be using half of the pineapple, one cucumber, and 2 small beets along with the ginger. Peel, slice up, and what's not sliced is diced. But the ginger is the first thing I'm gonna blend. We slice up the ginger. We're gonna blend this ginger and high speed for a short. Can't blend it too long because we're gonna strain the ginger. So we're gonna run it this way. Okay, so I have the ginger here. I already blend the ginger and strain it because the other stuff I'm gonna put in, I don't need to strain it, but the particles of the ginger will leave in the way, so I make sure to do the ginger and strain it. So this is the ginger. So next up I'm gonna put the beet. Yes, the beet, I cook the beet. And I know you're gonna ask, why did you cook the beet? The nutrients is lost in the water. I totally agree with you. The nutrients is in the water. That's the reason why I have the water here. So I'm gonna pour the water inside here. And then I'm gonna put the beets in the blender. And I'm gonna blend the beets. So next up, I'm gonna have the cucumber. I take the seed out of the cucumber. Yeah, so there's no seed in it. So now it's time to add the pineapple. Yes. So it's pineapple, beet, ginger, cucumber. So the measurement of what I use would be in the description box below, but what I use is 1 cucumber, half of pineapple, 2 small beets, and the ginger. Now I'm gonna pour some honey in. You're gonna put the amount you want. You're gonna sweeten to your taste, okay? And remember, the pineapple is sweet. So what's going on here. Yeah. See that? See that, guys? You gotta try this one. It's all smooth. The reason why I cook the beet is because I didn't want to have to strain the beet off. I want all the beet, you know what I'm saying? So I cook it, and then that's why I use the water, so we still have the nutrient in it. So as always, you know, Sister J is not gonna make it. I can't drink some. I have to drink some, man. I have to. Why not? Huh? I have to feed myself first before everybody else, not you. Guys, it is so smooth. Guys, I know there's many ways of doing it, but this is Sister J's way. I've been doing this for a long time, and believe me, everyone that I do it for, they like it. And I know when you try it, you're gonna like it. So you know what you're gonna do? Leave me a comment. Tell me how this tastes. Yeah, man, let me know how this tastes. What we call it again? Pineapple, cucumber, beet, ginger, 4-blend juice. Yeah, man, try it. It's good. This it done. Yeah, tastes good. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And as always, I will say there's many ways of doing it. This is just Sister J's way. But if you try Sister J's way, you're gonna like it. Come back and tell me how it tastes. Me know say it tastes good. And you know what? This is real natural juice. Just sweeten to your taste, and you're going to enjoy it. Take care of yourself. God bless. Be safe. Wash your hand. Put on your mask. Stay your distant. This coronavirus, it ain't no joke, man. God bless you. Go and go make your juice and drink it. Tell me your taste.